Hey guys, it's Vishwas from FTC Team 16725 Leobots, and today we're going to start the first part of our new tutorial series about using Autodesk Fusion 360. In this tutorial, we will be walking you through the steps of learning to get a decent hold of Fusion, starting with installing the software and ending with making parts. So to start off, in this first video, we are going to be installing Fusion 360. So if you go to the Autodesk Education website, that's where you can get a lot more information about the software. Autodesk is generous in giving free licenses to students. This educational license lasts for 3 years. So Autodesk has a lot of softwares which we can use as students, as you can see right here. Some of the main softwares used by FTC teams are Fusion 360, Inventor, and Tinkercad. Tinkercad is basically a very simple, easy-to-use, web-based CAD program that I highly recommend for beginners who just want to 3D print simple parts. Autodesk Inventor is also a great software. However, it only works with Windows and has its own pros and cons. All of these softwares have their own benefits, and you can get a 3-year educational license for both Fusion 360 and Inventor. But in this video series, we will be focusing on Fusion 360. So let's go ahead and click on Fusion 360 and wait for it to load. As you can see here, it will prompt you to either log in or create an account if you don't already have one. While creating a student account, you will be asked for some information or a few questions about being a student. Although I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. So if I just go to products and downloads, so if I just scroll down right now and look for Fusion 360, so while downloading the software, you will be able to see a product and serial key right here. Just keep those two handy as you may be asked for them later. I'm just going to go ahead and hit download now and wait for the software to download. Alright, so Fusion 360 has completed downloading. I'm just going to open it up on my start menu and search up Autodesk Fusion 360, and as you can see it pops up. Just go ahead and click on that. It might take a while to boot up, and it will ask you to sign a license agreement. Just be ready to do that. However, I already have logged into my laptop before, so it will not ask me to do that. And it may also ask you for the serial key and product key, but it did not in my case, so just keep that in mind. I'm just gonna go ahead and log in. So it will ask you for a security code. Just go ahead and type that in. So let's just give it a sec for it to load in. So, alright. So here is what Fusion 360 looks like when you first open it up for the first time. In the panel on the left, as you can see, you have some previous stuff I made on Fusion 360. And yeah, that's about it for downloading the software. There are many helpful YouTube videos out there, as well as learning courses if you are interested. I highly recommend them if you are a beginner or plan on using Fusion 360 for your FTC team. Thank you, and I hope this video helped, and stay tuned for more videos in this Fusion 360 series.